In a Michigan courtroom, confusion turns to confrontation. A defendant challenges her very identity, and a judge must decide who, exactly, is standing before the court.
On James Garner, do you see all the cases he has?
I see just the 4 that are on the docket, or 5.
Yes.
He's got more?
He's got plenty more.
Okay.
Mr. Garner, do you want to offer on these, or do you want to go to trial?
I would like to know what the charges are.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus James Earl Garner. Case number SP 11004335, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 116950. Those are driving license expired, misdemeanor, no insurance, insurance misdemeanor. Thank you. And an improper plate misdemeanor. All of them punishable by maximum possible penalty of 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines.
The docket opens. The judge scans through multiple cases, each bearing the same name, James Garner. License violations, no insurance, improper plates, a long list of infractions. The tone is procedural at first, but the weight of repetition suggests a deeper issue. This isn't Garner's first time in court.
1169507. Counts 1 and counts 2, expired license and no insurance misdemeanor, both punishable by 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines. SP 11695121, same improper plates, same punishment, $500 and 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines, maximum possible penalty. SP 122-30791, driver license suspended. SP 127-37681, SP 129-27512. 3 of those tickets are all punishable by 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines. SP 1547006, counts 1, counts 2, and counts 3.
As the judge reads the charges, the courtroom is quiet. Each count carries potential jail time and fines. The legal system moves steadily, one detail at a time. But when asked to confirm his understanding, Garner doesn't respond with routine acknowledgement. He asks, who's alleging these charges? The question marks
and counts 3, those are civil infractions. SP 1547407, counts 1 and counts 2, count 1 being a driver license suspended repeat offender. This one is in warrant status, probably an old case that he didn't pay. SP 800104, counts 1 and counts 2, 1 being an unregistered untitled. He owes $1,194 on that, and SP and count 2 of that is a drove while license improper. It looks like he has a $114 fine on that. State of Michigan versus James Earl Garner, case number SX 36268561. That is a drove while license expired, and that will be $500 maximum possible penalty, 93 days in jail and/or $500.
Garner declares that there can be no crime without a victim. He cites corpus delicti and argues the state cannot be the injured party. The judge listens, patient but firm. The argument, often heard in sovereign citizen defenses, doesn't hold legal weight here. Still, Garner presses on.
Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, please state your name for the record.
First off, I do have a couple.
You got to state your name first. You got to state your name first.
No,
Let's start there.
Wait a minute, Ms. Harris. Wait a minute, Ms. Harris. I think Mr. Garner is going to represent himself. Am I correct, Mr. Garner?
I'm representing myself in what? I mean, I'm confused about what's actually going on. First off, who's alleging these charges? That's what I'm curious about.
State of Michigan, City of Detroit.
Okay, well, if that's the case, there's
You
a
don't
common
have
law principle which states that for there to be a crime, there must be a victim. Corpus delicti. The state cannot be the injured party. And in the absence of a victim, there can be no crime.
We want to do
withdrawing my name from the
The
record.
judge proceeds to enter a plea of not guilty on Ghana's behalf. Calmly, she offers two paths: accept an offer or go to trial. But Ghana doesn't answer. Instead, he questions jurisdiction itself, insisting the court has no authority over him.
Withdrawing my name from the record on that one. Thank you.
I know. How do you want to proceed, Mr. Garner? You set the matter. I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Either set the matter for trial, or I'll wait for the city to give you an offer. What do you want to do?
Well, the court hasn't even established jurisdiction. I mean, in order for jurisdiction, the jurisdiction has to be established first, and there's no jurisdiction established. And once jurisdiction is challenged, that must be settled before charges can be brought.
All right. Do you want to put that in a motion, sir?
As far as I'm concerned, any and all charges must be dismissed because there is no complaining witness. And the state cannot be.
Ghana repeats his claim. There's no complaining witness. The judge tries to redirect him, but the discussion circles back again and again. Finally, she cuts through the argument. The citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims, she says clearly. It's the voice of the law.
I'm not gonna listen. If that's your motion, I'm gonna deny the motion. Okay? So all we're gonna do now, we're not gonna keep going back and forth. Either you take an offer or you set the matter for trial. Which one do you want?
Respectfully, in order for this to continue, there must be a complaining witness, and the state cannot be a complaining witness. Now, if I'm entitled to a fair trial, the law states there must be a victim. I'm just requesting, who is the victim? Who did I injure?
The citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
The state cannot be a victim. And if that's the case,
I said the citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
if that's the case,
Mr.
The public defender offers to step in, suggesting a private breakout session to help Ghana understand the process. The courtroom relaxes briefly, but the calm doesn't last. When they return on the record, Ghana's stance remains unchanged. He demands answers, refusing to follow.
Mr. Garner, can we just go into a breakout room and then maybe I can give you a little bit of advice to assist you with moving forward? Would you be agreeable to that?
sure.
Okay, awesome.
All right, are we ready on Garner?
I believe he's ready, Your Honor. He's representing himself.
Let's go back on the record with Garner. What do you want to do, Mr. Garner? Do you want a trial date or you want an offer? Those are really your only two options.
Okay, since we are on the record, all I'm asking for is the
Okay, one last time. Now listen, here's how it's gonna go from this point on. If you don't answer the question that I asked specifically.
The judge gives one last warning: answer directly or face contempt. Her tone is steady, but the patience is fading. Ghana keeps talking, challenging, questioning authority. The tension peaks. The courtroom is no longer about the charges, but about control and respect for the rule of law.
Then I'm gonna hold you in contempt of court, and we're gonna move from that point on, right? Get up, Mr. Raymond.
So you're telling me,
Mr. Garner. We're not gonna have a conversation. Stop, sir. Stop, sir. Now, that's the last time I'm gonna ask you to.
Is that what I'm hearing?
All right.
I'm asking.
I'm going to hold Mr. Garner in contempt of court. He is directly violating the court's order. I've asked him repeatedly to not interfere or add any extra commentary to this case. I've given him ample time to answer the court's question, and he continues to refuse to do so. So now I'm going to hold you in contempt, and I'm going to sentence you to 30 days.
The decision comes swiftly. The judge finds Garner in contempt of court. 30 days in Wayne County Jail. No early release. The announcement lands heavy. Garner reacts immediately, claiming his rights are being violated. The judge doesn't engage. Authority has spoken.
30 days Wayne County Jail. No early release.
So that means that the court is just going to violate my rights because I'm defending myself? Is that what I'm hearing?
30 days, Wayne County Jail, no early release. That'll give you some chance and some time to read up on your rights, okay? Fill out the contempt papers, Madam. So I'm going to order you to turn yourself in today, Mr. Garner, to start that jail time.
The sentence stands. The judge orders Garner to turn himself in immediately. He continues to protest, still arguing, still demanding recognition. But the courtroom has fallen silent except for the judge's famed closing words. There's no debate left, only enforcement.
Jail time, okay?
So I have a question.
I'm not answering any more of your questions. Turn yourself into the Wayne County Jail today.
So the court is going to be in direct violation of my rights in the law. Is that where we're standing?
That's how you feel. Have a good day, sir.
Court is not a place for theory. It is a place for truth, evidence, and order, and that order must be upheld.